Minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. Hope all of you are fine and in the best condition of health and iman. Grade 5, this is your English lesson, and in this lesson today we will do creative writing. Dear students, today we will do creative writing exercise number 2, page number 13, 14, part A. Part A of exercise number 2 today we will do. Dear students, open your books and come to page number 13, part A. Dear students, creative writing, as you know that you have to write. If any topic is given and we are discussing on daily basis, and in online classes if I am writing, even you have to write by yourself. Now today if I am going to discuss page number 13 and 14, part A of exercise number 2, you can also write in your own words. You can also write the given words which are given in the box. You can write by yourself. The choice is yours. Now, page number 13 is: complete the sentences below on a scene from a football match. You may use the helping words in the box. Now, complete the sentences below. Sentences are given in the box, and with the help of these sentences, you have to complete the paragraph which is given and which is about a football match. Number 1 is concentration, then soared, then advanced, screams, followed, direction, cheered, chants, narrowed, land, whistles, failed, opportunity, critical moment, cartwheels, excitement. Now these are the words, and you have to put these words in the blanks which are given in the paragraph, and you have to complete the paragraph with the help of these words. Now, the ball was stationed under the foot of the goalkeeper. He looked across the field to see the other players getting ready to receive the ball from him. This paragraph is about a football match, and the boy, he looked to show the way he looked to show how deep his concentration is. The way he looked to show how deep his concentration is. His brow was furrowed and he seems very obvious. He took a few steps back with a final decision. He gave the ball a hard kick. The ball soared in the air. The players on the field started at the ball expectantly. Page number 14. A player from the blue team jumped to intercept the ball as it flew towards him. The spectators roared with excitement. The ball was passed swiftly from one player to another player. The blue team had a good control over the ball. They pushed on towards the red team's goal post. Now, dear students, in this football match, there are two teams. One is blue team and the other one is red team. He took aim and kicked as hard as he could towards the goal post. He fell to the ground, waiting for the result. He stared as his powerful kick sent ball rolling quickly towards the goal post. The defender of the red team had now missed the ball. The defender of the red team had now missed the ball. It was now up to the goalkeeper himself. The ball rolled silent past the goalkeeper and landed at the far end of the end. The blue team scored a goal. The far end of the net. Here net will come. The far end of the net will come here. Here net will come. The blue team scored a goal. They were ecstatic. They celebrated their happiness by doing cartwheels on the field. Dear students, today we just discussed part A of exercise number 2 of your creative writing books. Dear students, you can write in your own words by using these words which are given in the box. I just discussed and gave you the idea that how you have to fill the blanks and you have to complete the paragraph with the help of the given words. Now you have to do page number 13 and 14 part A of your creative writing books. This is your today's task. Thank you.